Hi! Okay, so today we're going to be cutting up my mom's wedding dress. This is a dress from the 80s. My parents got married in 1987, and my mom got this dress in 1986. There's a lot of dress. Okay, so my sister is getting married this summer, so we're going to reimagine this dress as an outfit for her to wear during her wedding. Not as her actual wedding dress, but another outfit during the whole shebang. So I brainstormed with her a little bit about what she wants, about what might work best with this dress, and we're gonna see what we can do. So the fun part is next. We're gonna have to do a little bit of surgery on the dress, which is a little bit scary, but it's all gonna be good. So let's do it. Okay, so full disclosure, I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out as we go. First things first, let's unbustle it. We are gonna shorten it quite a bit. It's gonna be more of a party dress. Also, sleeves are gonna come off. I'm hoping I can keep like most of this bodice intact. We're gonna add a corset back so that it has a little bit better closure. But I think we're also probably gonna have to remove, we are gonna remove this mesh because it's not really, it's gonna sit funny the way we're gonna have to extend things. So we'll see. The sleeves are gonna have to come off as well. So I think I might actually start with that. This is so scary. Oh, you can see where they took it in, actually. That might be helpful. Give us a little extra room to work with. So I'm gonna unstitch this. My mom was a tiny little princess when she got married. Alright, this is not the best seam ripping, but I'm just scared of this. I can't, it's hard to see where the stitches are with the lace, so we're gonna do this the hard way. Oh, this dress was made 40 years ago. And I feel like really lucky that we still have it. My mom is very much in a stage of not wanting to keep random stuff around that we don't need, which I think a lot of people relate to that. Oh, we can also let this seam out too. Okay, this is helpful. But there have been times when she has said like, do I really need to keep this? Is anybody gonna want this? But I'm glad she did. And again, I am not a professional seam ripper. I just want to be able to preserve as much as I can, so I'm trying to do this as carefully as I can. Can you imagine like getting married and getting this dress all resized for you, and then imagining like, oh, my daughter's gonna rip this up someday? Okay, status update of seam ripping. Okay, so this is my roughly Becca sized mannequin. This is very rough. Obviously, I just have the dress tacked up here. And so I haven't seam ripped anything on this side yet. We still have the sleeve. The side seam is still intact. Zipper is still here. But on this side, I removed the side seam. So now it's two separate pieces. There's about an inch of extra fabric for that was sewn together in that seam, so we can extend that a little bit more. That's going to be really helpful. And then I removed the seam up here as well. I think we're going to be taking all this mesh off. And then obviously I removed the skirt down here. And then on the back, I removed the zipper from this side. So lots of just removing seams. Oh yeah, I can also let this seam out. That'll give us a little bit of extra fabric to work with. But yeah, so far so good. We'll see once I get the other side seam ripped how we kind of want to arrange things, but I think it's going okay so far. We'll see. Not as, and once I got into it, it's not as like scary ripping it apart as I thought. I have the sleeve. Here's the one free sleeve. Not sure what we're gonna do with her, but we have her. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I seam ripped the other side, and this is what we have now. So, took the sleeve off. You can see here we have a little bit of extra fabric now. So I kind of pinned it all up how it's gonna get sewn together. But yeah, I'm kind of excited to see. I didn't realize I was gonna get as far as I did right now today to see how it's gonna look. But anyways, we're gonna do a corset back, I think. That'll give us a little bit of wiggle room because my sister is not here in Maryland. She's in Colorado, so being able to test the fit for this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. So fingers crossed this will help give us a little bit of leeway. But yeah, I'm going to figure out, we're thinking of doing an off the shoulder look. So I'll probably have this lace down. So I need to figure out how these appliques are going to lay, or if I need to remove some of them as well. But I think for a start, this is looking good. So I'll do one more spin around to the front. But anyways, stay tuned. We're going to keep working on this dress and get it done in time for the wedding. So, all right, see you next time. Bye.